How to use Grok AI for news and real-time updates. Want to stay updated without leaving Twitter? Grok AI delivers real-time news summaries right in chat. First, open Grok AI and type queries like "Show me trending tech news" or "What's happening in sports today." Grok will instantly pull live insights from across Twitter and summarize them clearly. You can also ask for focused updates. For example, summarize today's crypto market trends. Use follow up questions like "Give me more details on post number 2" to explore topics deeper. What kind of news do you check most with Grok? Tech, finance, or entertainment? Let me know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI for news and real-time updates. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.